Hi, to answer this question, today we're going to be trying the Nova cordless pet hair clipper from Fussy Fix, and we're going to be trying it on a cat, but not just any cat. We're going to be trying it on a matted cat. So let's see how it does. And here's the final result. As you can see, the Nova Pet Hair Clipper did an amazing job. It's powerful, it's lightweight, and it's very quiet. It comes with everything that you see here included. To order yours, all you gotta do is click on that link.